Good evening and welcome to Delight classes. Dear students, in our grammar videos we have already finished articles, prepositions, nouns, pronouns and now we are proceeding with adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which qualifies a verb, an adjective, preposition or another adverb. An adverb is a word that qualifies a verb, adjective, another verb or preposition. Example, he runs fast. In this sentence, fast is an adverb because it is qualifying the verb runs. He runs fast. In this sentence, fast is an adverb because it is qualifying the verb runs. Second example, Srishti is quite an intelligent girl. Srishti is quite an intelligent girl. In this sentence, quite is an adverb because it qualifies the adjective intelligent. Because it qualifies the adjective intelligent. Third example is he can run very fast. He can run very fast. In this sentence, very is an adverb. Very is an adverb because it qualifies the adverb fast. Because it qualifies the adverb or another adverb fast. So, these three examples certify, verify that a word that qualifies a verb, an adjective, another verb or a preposition is called an adverb. Kinds of adverbs. Kinds of words, the adverbs on the basis of their use. According to their use, adverbs are subdivided into three classes. According to their use, adverbs are subdivided into three classes. Number one is simple adverb. Number two is interrogative adverb. Number three is relative adverb. On the basis of their use, adverbs are of three types: simple, interrogative and relative. Simple adverbs. Simple adverbs are again divided into adverb of time, which tells when, adverb of place, which tells where, adverb of frequency, how often anything happens, adverb of manner is the fourth, manner, quality or state, adverb of manner, quality or state, how or in which manner the work is done, how or in which manner the work is done. Next is adverb of quantity, extent or degree. Adverb of quantity, extent or degree. F is affirming or denying adverb. Affirming or denying adverb. And the last adverb in the section of simple adverbs is adverb related to reason. So once again, I am going to repeat. Simple adverbs are further divided into adverb of time, place, frequency, manner, quality or state, quantity, extent or degree, affirming or denying and reason. So, brief description about adverb of time. Example, he will soon arrive. soon is adverb of time. He was taken ill yesterday. What is yesterday? Adverb of time. Adverbs of this class. Adverbs of this class means time. Some other adverbs of this class are now, then, before, since, ago, already, soon, early and late. After adverb of time, adverb of place. An adverb used to show where an action is done. An adverb used to show where an action is done is called adverb of place. Here, there, up, down, below, above, out, in, everywhere, within, by. These are adverbs of place. Example, I went there. What is there? There is adverb of place. She came here. What is here? Adverb of place. She stood near the gate. Please come here. These are all examples of adverb of place. Adverb of manner. How an action is done. How an action is done is known as adverb of manner. An adverb used to show how an action is done is called adverb of manner. Quickly, bravely, happily, fast, well, clearly, soundly, luckily and sadly. What are these? These are adverb of manner. Example, they lived happily. What is happily? Happily is adverb of manner. Madhavi walks gracefully. What is gracefully? Adverb of manner. How an action is done. Adverb of frequency tells us how many times the work is done. An adverb used to show how often an action is done is known as adverb of frequency. Once, twice, often, never, always, occasionally, again, frequently, seldom, sometimes. Seldom means very rare. Seldom means very rare. Example, I have already told you for the use of adverb seldom. Barking dogs seldom bite. Examples of adverb of frequency. We visited Delhi twice. What is twice? Adverb of frequency. They never go to films. What is never? Never is adverb of frequency. So children, till here we have discussed in this video about adverb of time, place, manner and frequency. So, some more facts, some more rules about adverb in the next video. See you all again in the next video. Till then, goodbye, good night, subscribe and share.